Hi everyone, today I will be sharing my experience staying at Hyatt Regency Belgrade. Upon entering, you are greeted by a spacious two-level lobby filled with natural light. The hotel is situated in the heart of New Belgrade, the city's business district, just 15 minutes from the airport. It's within walking distance of Sava Center, Serbia's largest conference venue. Hyatt Regency Belgrade is a 5-star hotel. You can also reach the historic city center on foot, although it's a bit of challenge, so taking a taxi might be a better option. Nearby you will find a big shopping mall as well. Subscribe to watch more hotel reviews from all over the world. The first level features a charming garden, a lovely spot for a stroll or to relax for a bit. The interior is modern with elegant details, creating a cozy yet upscale atmosphere. The second level is where the reception, stylish bars and a cafe are located, where breakfast is served in the mornings. This level also hosts a spa area, shops and a restaurant. The property has several restaurants and bars where you can enjoy both traditional Serbian dishes and international cuisine. My room was spacious and perfectly suited for both relaxation and work. The bed deserves special mention, large, long and with perfectly tucked-in bedding. For the first time ever, I did not feel the need to untuck the blanket. It was that comfortable. The room also had a fully functional workspace, which is a huge plus for those who, like me, need to balance travel and work. To support my channel, you can book your hotel stay via the link in the description under this video. The bathroom was a highlight, large, bright and equipped with plenty of mirrors, which made it incredibly convenient. I fit comfortably in the bathtub, which is a rarity for me because I am tall. The wardrobe is also spacious and convenient. The bathrobes are provided. The room is equipped with safe box, iron facilities.